Hi everyone, good day. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to remove all tagged photos on Facebook. Okay, first things first, open up your Facebook app. After that, click on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then, scroll down and click on the Settings and Privacy option. Now, click on the Settings option. Scroll down further until you find the Your Activity section and click on the Activity Log option. Press the drop-down button for your activity across Facebook and then click on Photos you were tagged in. Here, you can see all the photos in which you are tagged. If you want to delete some particular photos, you can do this by clicking on each photo that you want to delete. But if you want to delete all tagged photos at once, simply check the Select All box at the top left corner. Now, you have successfully deleted all the tagged photos on your Facebook account. Using this process, you can delete all tagged photos on Facebook easily. Anyways, if you like content like this, don't forget to subscribe to this channel or comment down below any tutorials you want us to make, so we can help you. And that's it. You can now remove all tagged photos on Facebook. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling.